Hi there, students. Comme il faut, comme il faut. This is a piece of French, but you can use this in English. It means in keeping with etiquette, following the social standards, doing something in the proper way. So, if we're going to have a party, we need to have a party comme il faut. We need to have a proper party. Yeah. It depends what I think comme il faut means. I think using this phrase, I would say with high standards. So if we're going to have a party comme il faut, we need to invite maybe 20 guests and seat them all at a large table and give them a wonderful meal. So to entertain them comme il faut, properly, in the right way, in accord with conventional standards, as is proper, as is correct, doing something in the fashionable way. I think one of my problems is I don't normally do things comme il faut. I'm not normally dressed comme il faut. I don't normally obey the some of the rules of social behaviour. I don't behave comme il faut. So I think the example, it's not comme il faut to wear a pink tie to a funeral. It's not seemly, it's not reasonable, it's not the right thing to do. Turning up to a funeral in a pair of t-shirt, in a pair of shorts and a t-shirt, maybe a Hawaiian shirt, that is not comme il faut. If you want to go to the funeral comme il faut, you should wear a dark suit and a black tie, and black shoes. So with correct etiquette, with correct behaviour. My friend, he drinks too much, but in every other way he's comme il faut. He does things properly. Okay, I don't want to do this in cheaply. We need to do this comme il faut, as it should be done, conforming to proper standards. Okay, so somebody who's posh would not use a word like that. Yeah, it would not be comme il faut. So if you're really posh, the word couch is not comme il faut. It's not what it should be. It's not the correct thing to do. It's not fitting. It's not comme il faut. Okay, so it's not decorous. It's not seemly. Okay, it's not comme il faut to always be asking people for money. Everything for a gentleman, everything must be done in life comme il faut. That applies to getting married, getting drunk, cooking pasta, filling in a form, or talking to your teacher. Yeah, you must do it comme il faut. Okay, I want a proper apology, a written apology, comme il faut. I don't want just, sorry, my mistake. Yeah, do it comme il faut. Do it in the right way, in the way that is acceptable, in the way that is standard for a gentleman. Maybe if you're very posh, it's not comme il faut to live in a rented flat. You should live in your own house. Okay, his clothes were not comme il faut. He was not dressed as he should be. Okay, so comme il faut, as it needs to be, as it should be. Yeah, I'm not fashionable. I'm not comme il faut. Okay, so as I said, this is French. As it should be, as it is, as it ought to be. Faut from falloir. Formality, comme il faut. This is French. This is a bit posh. I'm going to give it comme il faut. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in no. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, but use it in a posh setting. use it in a posh conversation. I guess you could use it in a semi-formal writing, semi-formal conversation as well. Something very formal? Yeah, I guess no, probably not in something very formal though. So I hope this video has been comme il faut, as it should be. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Comme il faut.